Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. This presentation addresses the Diagnostic Trouble Code, DTC U129E, which indicates a lost communication with the Power Control Unit, PCU, in the Honda Pilot models from 2016 to 2022. This DTC can cause issues within the vehicle's electronic system, particularly affecting the keyless access system and other related modules. Initially, it's important to clarify that communication issues can arise from various components, including wiring problems, connector issues, or malfunctioning modules. The symptoms might range from intermittent operation of the keyless access system to complete failure of communication, depending on the root cause. This guide will provide a detailed troubleshooting methodology to resolve the issue. Let's delve into the specifics of DTC U129E and its implications for vehicle performance. The DTC U129E indicates that there has been a lost communication with the Power Control Unit, PCU. The PCU acts as the communication master in the vehicle's electronic architecture, coordinating messages between various vehicle systems. When communication is interrupted, it can lead to operational failures in crucial systems like the keyless entry and tire pressure monitoring system, TPMS. The PCU is typically located in an accessible area within the vehicle's electronics, making it necessary for users to understand its context and connections. If it loses communication with other modules, the overall functionality of the vehicle could become unreliable. Proper diagnosis is crucial to identifying the root causes of communication loss between the PCU and other key components. Several possible causes can lead to the DTC U129E being triggered. One of the most common issues is poor connections, which can result in insufficient electrical contact between components. Loose terminals are another frequent culprit. They might cause intermittent communication failures that trigger this DTC. Open wiring can lead to a complete loss of signals, affecting the communication between the Power Control Unit and other modules like the keyless access system. Identifying and rectifying these issues is imperative to restoring proper functionality. Continuity checks are particularly essential in cases of suspected open wiring, and they should be performed effectively to ensure accurate results. Thorough examination of these areas will help to pinpoint the malfunction. When the DTC U129E is triggered, several symptoms may surface, making it evident that there is an underlying communication issue. A common manifestation is a malfunction in the keyless entry system. It may fail to activate or work intermittently. Additionally, the Engine Control Unit, ECU, may report communication errors, reflecting on the vehicle's dashboard through warning lights or alerts. Affected drivers might also notice that certain functionalities that rely on the PCU and other associated modules are not operating as expected. It's essential to monitor these symptoms diligently, as they often provide critical insights into the health of the vehicle's electronic systems. Recognizing these signs early can help prevent further complications down the line. The first troubleshooting step involves verifying the initial conditions of the vehicle's systems. Start by turning the vehicle to the on mode, which allows the electronic systems to initiate communication protocols. Following this, the next task is to clear the DTC using the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, which serves as a diagnostic tool to interface with the vehicle's onboard computer. After clearing the codes, turn the vehicle off and then back on. This cycle helps to reset the system and determines if the DTC reappears immediately. Finally, check for any pending or confirmed DTCs with the HDS. If DTC U129E is present in any capacity, it indicates that communication issues may still exist, prompting further investigation. If no DTC is confirmed, this may suggest an intermittent failure. In the second step, the focus shifts to assessing the communication of the keyless access system using the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS. Establishing whether the HDS can effectively communicate with the keyless access system is critical. If communication is successful, you proceed to the next troubleshooting step to deepen the investigation. However, if the HDS fails to establish communication, the next best course of action is to conduct symptom troubleshooting, specifically for the keyless access indicator. This may involve examining the indicator lights, checking for blown fuses, or assessing the integrity of related components. Achieving effective communication through HDS is a decisive factor in continuing the diagnostic process, as it confirms the operational state of the keyless access system. The third troubleshooting step involves checking for continuity in the FCAN-AH communication line. Begin by turning the vehicle to the off-lock mode and then disconnecting the necessary connectors, which include the keyless access/TPMS control unit connector C20P and the TCM transmission control module 58P connector. With these connectors disconnected, check for continuity between designated test points, specifically from the number 2 terminal of the keyless access TPMS control unit connector to the number 34 terminal of the TCM connector. Continuity indicates that the FCAN-AH wire is intact. If continuity is absent, it's necessary to repair any identified breaks or open circuits in the FCAN-AH line. This wire is essential for communication between systems, and ensuring it is functioning correctly is vital for vehicle operation. The fourth troubleshooting step is similar to the previous one, focusing now on the continuity of the FCAN-AL line. Similar to before, ensure the vehicle is in the off-lock mode and that the connectors are still disconnected. Check the continuity between the corresponding test points from the number 12 terminal of the keyless access TPMS control unit connector to the number 47 terminal of the TCM connector. If continuity is confirmed, it indicates that the FCAN-AL line is functioning correctly. Should there be no continuity, then there is likely an open wire that needs to be identified and repaired. Proper repair of these wiring issues is central to restoring communication between the keyless system and the TCM, ensuring all relevant vehicle functionalities are operating harmoniously. Upon completing all previous troubleshooting steps, a final repair verification is essential. Start by rechecking for any lingering or new diagnostic trouble codes with the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS. This step is crucial to validate that the repair actions taken have effectively resolved the communication issues. Following this, test the keyless access system to ensure that it functions as intended. Observe whether the system reacts correctly to key fob inputs, confirming that communication has been successfully restored. Additionally, ensure that all features dependent on the power control unit are also performing correctly. A thorough examination and final testing not only confirm the resolution of the DTC U129E, but also help assure that the vehicle's electronic systems are fully operational. Preventive maintenance plays a crucial role in ensuring the long-term reliability of the vehicle's electronic systems, especially concerning communication lines like the FCAN-AH and AL. Regular inspections of connectors can help to spot any signs of wear, corrosion, or damage that could lead to communication failures in the future. It's also essential to protect these electrical components from exposure to moisture, as water intrusion can quickly lead to shorts or circuit issues. Keeping a proactive approach toward checking wiring integrity will substantially minimize the risk of wiring issues, which are common culprits for DTCs like U129E. Incorporating periodic reviews of these elements into routine maintenance schedules enhances vehicle performance and reliability. Investing time in these aspects will ultimately lead to a better, trouble-free driving experience. In conclusion, the DTC U129E, indicating lost communication with the power control unit, underscores a significant aspect of vehicle operation that requires careful attention. Understanding the vehicle's communication system is pivotal for effective troubleshooting and resolution of potential issues. Following outlined troubleshooting steps can help identify and rectify problems that may disrupt critical functionalities, such as the keyless access system. Additionally, ongoing preventive maintenance can extend the life of the vehicle's electronic systems, mitigating risks of similar DTC occurrences in the future. Keeping the vehicle's electronic components in optimal condition ensures reliability and enhances the overall driving experience. This structured approach will empower Honda Pilot owners to maintain their vehicles more effectively. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time!